Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Panda Trough location in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock your interaction with Panda, you need to find the Panda's Trough. And I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the Panda's Trough. So guys, you can find it in the forest. Just go to the forest and you can find it near the forest lake right here. And this is the Panda's Trough behind me. And you can click on this icon to feel the trough and select the food that you want to give to Panda. And I'm going to choose wheat. And then we can click on feed. And once you feel the trough, Panda will find it and eat the food. Or actually you can find the panda around the trough, but now I can't see it. If you see the panda, you will be able to interact with the panda. And okay guys, that's how you can find the Panda Trough location in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.